Is CAVA the best performing stock of 2024? Let's take a look. We're going to go over 10 stocks that have absolutely crushed it this year. And to be fair, 2 of them are not stocks, they're cryptocurrencies, but shut up. And even with the insane rally that Bitcoin has had this year, it is still only up 102% year to date. That means from January to today. Up next is United Airlines, up 121%. And then we have HIMS, which is up 133% year to date, but is down a lot today. This has to do with Amazon rolling out their version to compete with HIMS, or telemedicine in general. Yikes. Nvidia up next, up 196% year to date. And then we get to CAVA, up 223% year to date. And then we have SoundHound up 226%, Palantir up 248%, Vistra Corporation up 266% year to date. Number 9 on the list is Dogecoin, up an astounding 329% year to date. But there's one more. I'm going to do a long pause here. Long pause, so you can guess in the comments below while you're typing it in, what do you think the number 1 stock is of the year on my list? If you had Carvana, you're right, up 357% year to date. Now I know what your follow-up question is going to be for all of these. Is it too late? And I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. Nobody does. Nobody knows if these stocks are going to go up or down, short-term or long-term. What you have to do is your own research. I know what you're going to say, but I don't know how to do my own research. Luckily for you, take a look. If you want to learn how to invest for free, all you have to do is go right here, click on the menu, which is right here, and all of these resources are free. All of them, including my course, my templates to analyze companies side by side, my resource guide, they are all free. And in my resource guide, if you scroll down just a little bit, you will find this, what to like and not like. If you type in any company, let's just type in CAVA, because that was the one that was asked about in the question, and you go over here, you will find this great resource, what to like, what not to like. My fundamental analysis template in combination with Stock Target Advisor's what to like and not like feature is a great starting point for you to do your own research. All right, smash that follow. Thanks for watching. See you later. Oh, and let me know in the comments below if you want me to make a similar video to this on the biggest losers of 2024. There might be some hidden gems in there that would also need to be researched.